Digital currencies have turned into a success and misfortune circumstance worldview for certain clients. In this way, dealers and financial backers generally search for cost expectations arranged down to the littlest detail. Today, we examine the market feelings concerning the Monero venture and investigate the XMR coin's exchanging possibilities. Kindly note that the crypto market experiences extraordinary unpredictability. Continuously do your own examination, DYOR, to evaluate chances and the ongoing business sector circumstance. What is Monero Xmr? In 2014, another computerized resource was made because of a hard fork executed on the Bitcoin chain. At the very start, Monero had a more perplexing name, BitMonero. Be that as it may, a couple of days after the fact, the group opened up the wallet interface and the hack confirmation code and persuaded the local area to embrace a more easy-to-understand name for the coin. Monero is a cryptographic money and decentralized blockchain environment fueled by the randomX convention. The Monero cryptographic money utilizes a one-time ring mark calculation to perform mysterious exchanges. While picking a name for their coin, the designers were propelled by the global language Esperanto. Because of ring marks and secret locations, Monero is a confidential digital currency. A ring mark is a mysterious computerized signature that doesn't uncover who marked the exchange. Those marks are produced on the Monero stage by consolidating source keys and public keys on the blockchain. Secret locations are irregular attempts to produce during every exchange for one-time use. They conceal the exchange's objective location close by the beneficiary's character. Ring secret exchanges, ring CT, likewise conceal the exchange sum. This element was presented in January 2017 as a necessity for all exchanges performed on the Monero organization. The verification of work, POW, calculation is utilized for affirming exchanges on the organization. There is areas of strength for that XMR might proceed with its development for the rest of 2022. Most crypto experts give hopeful conjectures about Monero's cost in light of the basics and the coin's past accomplishments. Because of solid innovation, critical market capitalization, and the positive elements of the crypto market, XMR gets all opportunities to become one of the most exchanged digital currencies. Numerous crypto specialists are certain that XMR will ascend in the long haul because of persevering idealism that this money can draw on significantly more consideration. XMR could complete 2022 with a typical swapping scale of $345. The base could be around $330, while the most extreme could reach $380. Monero might stay at its ongoing cost level for quite a while. By the center of 2022, XMR is supposed to top at $360. The coin's base cost could ascend to $320 before the year's over, assuming that the market turns bullish. XMR might develop by around every available ounce of effort throughout the following 3 years, ascending to $360 toward the finish of 2022 and to $500 toward the finish of 2023. Investigators are sure that XMR has great development potential and see not an obvious explanation for this cryptographic money to crash. Monero Value Expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Monero costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Monero will be $161.85. The greatest level that the XMR cost can reach is $181.32. The typical exchanging cost is normally around $169.15. XMR value estimate for September 2022. In view of the value variances of Monero toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical XMR pace of $153.32 in September 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $140.18 and at $157.70, individually. October 2022, Monero Value Gauge. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the XMR cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $150.55, while the greatest could reach $165.37 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Monero may be around $156.39. XMR value conjecture for November 2022. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value vacillations of Monero in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal XMR rate they foresee may be around $162.65 in November 2022. It can drop to $156.81 as a base. The greatest worth may be $173.19. December 2022, Monero value gauge. Around mid-year 2022, the XMR cost will be exchanged at $169.15 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Monero worth to $181.32. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $161.85 in December 2022. Monero Value Forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Monero in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Monero will be around $249.52. The most extreme expected XMR cost might be around $286.90. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $257.97 in 2023. Monero Value Expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Monero, in 2024, XMR is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $351.17 and $428.70, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $364.07. Monero Value Forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have broke down the costs of Monero and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base XMR cost could drop to $485.71, while its most extreme can reach $606.65. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $503.91. Monero Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Monero by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least XMR costs are normal in 2026, $856.64 and $714.11. Overall, it will be exchanged at $703